Have you ever wondered who controls everything inside a cell? Who tells cell what to do, when to grow, and when to divide? That boss of the cell is called nucleus. Today we will understand nucleus in the simplest way possible. Welcome to NeoGen. That is our cell, and this, yeah, and this is the nucleus, the small one, and it is in the center. Now the blue portion is our cell and the red portion, that is our nucleus. Think of a cell like a school. Students are the cell parts, activities are the cell functions, and the principal is the nucleus. Without the principal, nothing works properly. So this is a cell and this is our nucleus. So the nucleus is equals to control center. Control center. Now you understand what is a nucleus. Now what is nucleus? So nucleus is a membrane bound structure present in eukaryotic cells. Its job is to control cell activities and store DNA. It means you can simply say that this nucleus is the brain of the cell. Yeah. This nucleus is the brain of the cell. Nucleus has three parts. The first part is the nuclear membrane. This is a double layered membrane, protects nucleus and has tiny pores in it for exchanging the material. So as you can see, our nucleus has a double layered structure that is called the nuclear membrane, and it has tiny pores. This is our nuclear membrane and it has tiny pores for exchange of material. Now what is the work of that nuclear membrane? The work of the nuclear membrane is protection. You can see that. Protection and transport. Okay. And now the third part of the nucleus is called chromatin. Yeah, chromatin is the DNA. Yeah, you heard it right. The DNA. Nucleus contain our DNA in the form of chromatin. This is our DNA. DNA is equal to instructions. Instructions of cell. Now the function of nucleus. Nucleus mainly has three functions. It controls cell activities. You can learn the work of nucleus in this way. Control plus information one second. Information plus division. Okay. Yeah, you can learn in this way. It controls the cell, it contains information in the DNA, and it also helps in the cell division. Now let's have a quick revision. So answer, what is nucleus? A nucleus is a double membrane bound structure present in eukaryotic cells. It controls cell activities, it contains information, and it also helps in the cell division. So nucleus is like a control center of the cell. Now what are the three parts of the nucleus? The first part is nuclear membrane, and the second part is the nucleolus, and the third part is the DNA. Now answer me, why is this DNA is important? Because it contains genetic information, that is the instruction of cell. Today we learn about the control center of the cell, that is nucleus. If this video made you understand the nucleus topic easily, please subscribe to our channel. So we will meet in the next video. Till that, goodbye.